Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your browser. In this tutorial, I'm using Chrome browser right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on your address bar right here. And what you want to do is to type in the font, hit enter. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on the first one right here, the font.com. Click on that. That's going to take you to the official web page right here. You can scroll down right here and download as many as possible fonts right here. Okay. Next thing we want to do here, I'm going to simply go ahead and download. Scroll down right here. So if you are not satisfied with any of the fonts from the home page right here, you can simply scroll down right here and check on. So if you are not satisfied with the fonts from the home page right here, what you can do right here is to come to the top right here. You can browse by category right here. So I'm going to simply come to typewriter right here. So you are going to see similar results for typewriter. You can scroll down right here and check on some of the fonts in the typewriter sections right here. So if you're satisfied with any one of them right here, let's say for instance I'm going to get this one. What we want to do is to simply click on download right here. Alright, so this window here is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on save right here. And in a few seconds, the font should be downloaded into your PC. So just like what you see right here. Okay, so after a successful download, this particular font from web, we can access from the web and see how we can actually add the font. Welcome back to the video. After you have successfully download the font from the web, next thing we want to do is to see how we can add the font into our CorelDRAW. So for that, what we want to do is to go ahead and head over to our download folder. So this is my download folder right here. So what we want to do, this is the font right here. So what we want to do right here is to copy this particular font zip folder right here. So I will simply right click and I'll make sure I click on copy. Then I'm going to minimize, then I'll head over to another file right here, font file folders right here. So I'm going to open up this particular file. So I'm going to use this particular font file folder right here. I will click on the folder, I will press enter key, and it's going to load up like so. Now this file here is empty. This folder here is empty. What we want to do is to right click on this, and I will make sure I click on paste. So the zip file that copy is going to be pasted right here in this empty folder. What we want to do next is to make sure we extract this particular file. So we have to right click on it. Then we make sure we click on extract here. So in a few seconds, everything is going to be extracted, just like what you see right there. Here we go. We have the font type right here, which is just one file. What we want to do is to double click on it. So just like what you see right here, we have the font right here with the font family, such as bold, light, etc. So what we want to do here is to click on install right here from the top right here. So click on install, and in a few seconds, this is going to pop up right here. Boom, everything has been successfully installed. Next thing we want to do is to bring out our Corel file. So I'm going to open up my CorelDRAW right here. And I'm going to press Ctrl N to open a new document. So I'll go ahead and say font test, and I will simply hit on OK. So next thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and select my type 2 right here. So click on my type 2. Having selected my type 2, so I will simply make a type. So this particular one right there, I will simply type in new font, new font. Okay, then I'm going to press Ctrl A to select. I will come to the top right here. I'll make sure I increase the font size so everyone can see. Now I'm going to change the font type, and the font type is Shine. And I will come to the top right here. I will make sure I type the name of the font, Shine. So you can see the font name right here, Shine Typewriter. I will hit enter. So automatically it's going to be effects on the new typeface is right here. So just like what you see right here, we have the font successfully installed on our CorelDRAW right here. So it's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CorelDRAW, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.